Okay, the first time of magnet fishing.
255-pound pull magnet, a shallow stream. What can go wrong? What
Okay.
can go wrong?
Sure, we'll find out.
Nothing.
Okay.
Nothing. Got the magnet back. That's a bonus.
Well, all right.
Unlike this guy with an 800-pound pull magnet, we got to hook the Toyota Tundra up to bring whatever he hooks onto up.
All right, Dwayne, what do you have to say for yourself yet? You got something?
Yeah, an 800-pound pull magnet on the other. That thing weighs 30 pounds.
Brian. Quit being mean.
It's pretty great.
It's a fair sport. He's going to pull up a motorcycle. All right, let's see. Back to Brian. What happened?
Amount of black sand down
Are you caught?
there.
Be careful.
Yep, caught it. So bring that big old magnet over here. No, never mind, got it.
All right.
All tangled up in the ropes and stuff. Look at this. It's ridiculous. Safety first, folks.
You're going to need one of those spools.
Safety first. Might need a life jacket too. You're gonna need one with that big magnet. Snagged. Worse than fishing.